Your release cycles are getting shorter. Yet your customers still want a digital experience and they want it in their own language. Is the team in charge of localizing your documentation, your videos and your apps struggling to keep up? Hi, I'm Françoise Henderson, CEO and co-founder of Rubric. We're an innovative, lean and agile translation partner. So what's different about Rubric? Our lean business model allows us to integrate your digital content repositories with our translation pipeline, driving innovation for every one of your product lines. We're dynamic and transparent, and our processes are scalable. Rubric's technical expertise and our agile approach are at the root of what our clients often refer to as the magic under the hood, which gives them quality and speed every single time. How does it work? We've been collaborating with our US manufacturing clients for decades, and in that time, we've helped them reduce their translations volume drastically through rigorous content reuse, streamline their regulatory compliance by involving all stakeholders early in the process, and integrate their content creation process with our localization pipeline. This is why we can deliver on time every time. Want to hear more about Rubric? Hear what our clients say about us and get in touch at rubric.com/names20.